Hello everyone, welcome to Southern Wreaths. I had several people ask me how I spray painted my eucalyptus, so this is just a super quick bonus video where I show you how I did that. It is not the best quality, but I just quickly recorded me spray painting my eucalyptus. So there's two different ways you could do this. The way I like to do it is to take the top of the leftover piece of a box after I cut it down for shipping. I just set it up and add my eucalyptus around the edges. And I usually do one color at a time, or I have several boxes. And then I hold the spray paint at least a foot back, and then I just go through and spray paint. I'll go all the way around the outside, and then I'll do the inside pieces. And if you find that you need to hold it up and spray paint it because there's pieces, that you missed, I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But it covers really well. I'm using like a 5-in-1 fusion spray paint, so it works really, really well. I wanted something that was going to attach to plastic. Here's what you'll do. You can either do it this way. It takes a lot longer. It covers a lot better, but it also uses more spray paint. So it's up to you how you want to do it. I find that a little bit of green showing through doesn't make a big difference, and I kind of like how it looks a little more natural, which of course these colors aren't natural, but and then I'll just set this aside on a piece of cardboard and let it dry. I do like to wash mine with soapy water when I'm done, just to get the smell out. This is what they look like after they've dried and I've washed them and they're ready to go. And that's literally all I do to spray paint them. It's super simple. It's just like you would spray paint anything else. If you have any more questions, please let me know. You can email me at craftingwithlee@yahoo.com, or you can just leave a comment below. Thank y'all so much for watching, and if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.